All right, welcome back to Mr. P Helps with Geometry. This is Unit 1, Topic 2, Part 2, Day 2. All right, so we're constructing a square in this question. So it says which of the following constructions is illustrated, and this happens to be a bisector of a given angle. Now for this question, it says which segment is apparently congruent to segment AB. So what you're going to do here is use segment AB to make a circle, and then whichever point ends up landing on that circle will end up being the exact same size as segment AB. And now, since I don't have a compass for this video, I actually don't know which one that is. I know it's not C, and I don't think it's D. If I had to guess, I would say it's probably F. But you need to make sure that you're going around exactly. So it could be either point D or point F. Just make a circle and see which one that it is. Now, once again, the point of this video is to talk about how to construct a square, and which is a little bit difficult since I don't have a compass in order to do it with on this computer, because the tools that come with this program, Active Inspire, just don't work. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk you through the process. I'm going to extend this line using a straight edge. And what I'm essentially going to do is I'm going to create a perpendicular line that goes through both point S and point Q, one at a time. So I put my fixed point here at S, and then I find 2 points that are equal distance to S. It really doesn't matter what size your compass is on. And then from each one of these points, I'll put my fixed point here, and I'll make a semicircle. And then I'll put my fixed point over here and make the exact same semicircle. And then that's going to give me the perpendicular line going through S. Now, essentially, I'm going to do the exact same steps for Q. So I'm going to find 2 points that are equal distance to Q. From those 2 points, I'm going to make my semicircle. From here, I'll make another semicircle. And that's going to give me a line that's perpendicular to Q. Now, I'm essentially almost done making my square. And you can see that, let me pull a different color for this. So using my highlighter, so we have this section. I just want to make sure that this is the same distance as this because it's a square. So what I would do is put my fixed point on S, my pencil on Q, and then make an arc going up. Do the same thing for Q, make an arc so that essentially I've just measured the distance from S to Q, and I made Q to this point of intersection exactly the same. And then you can just simply connect these 2 points together, and voila, you have now constructed a square. All right, that pretty much sums it up for how to make a square. So make those 2 perpendicular lines, and then copy a segment, the segment SQ on both sides, and then you can connect them up, and you've got yourself a square. All right, have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.